Hi Tim. Today we are going to discuss about the ServiceNow incident problem and change management differences, main key differences in the form. Interview point of view, it's very important. Uh, it should become these questions like that incident problem change differences and what's incident, what's the problem, what's the change, what are the life cycles of these events. Like that, interviewers will ask definitely, but definitely the questions will rise from the incident problem or change management. Here is a clear and detailed explanation of each key point in our PPT about incident problem and change management. We can easily identify the much differences between those. Let's start our topic. These are the key points. These are the incident problem and change management. The definition is incident. It's an unplanned interruption to a service. It's unplanned. Suddenly it will raise the interruption to the service. Examples: email not working, network error. These are the unplanned sudden interruptions. So an unplanned interruption to a service. The problem is root cause investigation of a one or more incidents. By repeating incident will cause a problem. It means the underlying cause behind one or more incidents. It's nothing but root cause investigation of a incident. While continuing incident, it will lead to the problem. The change. Planned modification or implementation in an IT environment. It's a planned modification or improvement in the system to prevent issues or enhance services. It means corrective action and preventive action. After investigation of incidents, we have to take decision of prevent that incidents by taking implementation of change. It will controls the repeated occurrence of incident and problems. It's a permanent solution to the incident and problems. Second point is the purpose or objective. What's the purpose of the incident is? What's the purpose of the incident? It will restore the service quickly because the problem will or incident will cause the lot of business losses. That's why it should be restored quickly to restore service quickly with minimal disruption to users, end users. Then problem to find and eliminate the root cause of recurring incidents. The main purpose of the problem is to find root cause. If we find root cause, we can prevent the incidents, recurrence of incidents. To find and eliminate the root cause of recurring incidents. The change. Implement solution or improvement in a controlled way. To implement solutions or improvements in a safe and controlled manner. The main purpose of the change is to implement solutions or improvements in a safe and controlled manner. So continuous improvement or implements leads to the change. The third point is when it occurs. When incident will occur? When something breaks or stop the working. Something break means server slowing or network errors or email errors due to network issues. That something breaks or something not working. So when something breaks, stops working suddenly, it will cause the incident. The problem, when incidents are repeated or major, when continuous repeating of incident will cause the major effect of the business. So it will cause a problem. when incidents are repeated or major. The change is when a permanent fix or system enhancement is required. When it occurs, the change when a permanent fix or upgrade is required. Examples of the incident are email not working, VPN down. I will explain each and every one with real-time scenarios. Just I will brief the differences, then I will explain. Problem. Problem is nothing but investigation of the root cause. Why email server crashes daily? What's the reason? What's the investigation? That's a problem example. The change after identification of the problem or incident, we can implement the corrective action and preventive action for future. So upgrade email server to prevent future issues. The example of the incident is INC, like that number will come. The problem starts with PRB and the change starts with CHG. In generally, incidents who will handle L1 support or global service desk or service desk. L1 means initial team, global service desk team. So automatically incidents will assign to the global service desk or L1 support team. But the incident repeated will go to the next L2 level team, L2 or L3. L2 or L3 team have the technical experts or problem managers, mean somewhat higher to the as compared to the incident team. Finally, change management is a change will manage by change management team, CAB team, technical team. Change advisory board. CAB definition is the change advisory board. It's the composition of the managers and higher experts, higher management. CAB means higher management. Next point is priority. Priority or SLA, service level agreement. Service level agreement means within the time we have to complete that incident. We have to fix incident. We have to fix the problem. That is a service level agreement. High priority time bound. Based on priority, it will act. But in case of problem, it does not have the priority, but it will track the problem. And coming to the change, the priority is planned with schedule and approvals, proper planning and implementation, and when it will be implemented, what's the time it will be implemented. Like that, it will be happening in the change management. For the incident, solution type is the temporary or quick fix because it won't affect on business and it won't affect on the, it should not be affect on the end users. That's why it will resolve and temporarily fix or work ground. For coming to the problem, solution is the root cause analysis. Root cause means we'll go to the roots level of the problem or root level of the incident. Then for the cause of the incident. So we can fix the temporary work around. So change solution is a permanent because it won't repeat in the future. The problem or incident won't repeat in the future. That's why it will corrective action and preventive action. So permanent fix or system enhancement. So approvals. For incident, no approvals required. For problem, no approval required, but analysis is required. For change, compulsory approvals required because it is the implementation. It needs experts approvals. Change advisory board approvals should be necessary. Final output is the server back to normal. Or solution. Solution should be initial. It should be functional. The problem is known as solution identified. The change is final output of change is change implemented. successfully, or incident prevented. Incident problem change has one stages. Incident stages includes new, in progress, on hold, resolved, closed, and cancelled. Coming to the problem, new, access, root cause analysis, fix in progress, resolved, closed. For change, new, access, authorize, schedule, implement, review, close, cancel. For the interview point of view, these stages are very important. I am covered all important points of interview aspects and basic aspects of the incident problem change management. So we can go with the demo. I will show the examples of incident, problem, and change management. This is incident form. This is a list view. List means number of incidents will be there here. For example, incident. Incident start with the INC. So best examples of incidents are the employee payroll application server. Server is down. Network storage not available. Desk phone not working. Network errors. Issue with emails. Request for new service. Rain leaking. Unmained DNS server. Wireless access down in my area. Network file shares access issue. I can't get my weather report. These are the incidents. Examples of the incidents. These are the assignment groups, software, hardware, network issue, network groups. Based on the incident short description, the assignment group will depend. This is incident number, caller, category is there, software, hardware, network, database, password reset. Subcategory also the antivirus email. Subcategory will depends upon the category. And then important is the stages. Stages of the incident. New, in progress, on hold, resolved, closed, cancelled. But it will varies, depends on the companies and business requirements. It will slightly varies. But basic thing is these are the states. New, in progress, on hold, resolved, closed, cancelled. These are the impact and urgency. Based on the impact and urgency, priority will changes. Because if impact is high, urgency also high, then priority is critical. Mean based on the priority, we can perform the investigation or incidents. We can close the incidents that based on the critical conditions. If priority medium, the urgency is high, the priority also high. If the impact is medium, the urgency is low, then priority is low. If impact is low, then urgency is low, the priority is planning. So these are the basic things we should remember about the states. New, in progress, on hold, resolve, closed, cancel. Coming to the problem page, this is a list view of problem. The problem number will start with the PRB, but incident number will start with the INC. Problem is root cause analysis. Repeated incident will cause a disturbance in the business or end users. Examples of the problem management are unable to send or receive emails. So repeating occurrence of incident will cause the problem. Unable to connect Wi-Fi, issue in connecting to internet using modem, unable to connect to VPN, WebEx application unavailable, laptop performing very badly. These are the examples of the problem statements. Router down. What's the problem? If we repeat the incident, it will cause the problem. Then problem number will start with the PRB, but incident number will start with the INC. This is the form U. Stages of the problem are the states of the problem are new, access, assess, root cause analysis, fix in progress, result, closed. These are the states of the problem or stages of the problem. Coming to the change, this is the list view. Oh, change start with the CHG. Incident start with the INC. Problem starts with the PRB. Change start with the CHG. Incident start with the INC. Problem starts with the PRB. Change start with the CHG. These are the examples of the problem changes. Please reboot application server people soft. Add network switch to cabinet because it's a fixing the incidents or problems. It's a permanent solution. Corrective action, preventive actions are the change. Please reboot AS400 software. Please reboot application server does. Add network switch to cabinet. These are the changes, permanent solutions. These states or stages of the change request is new, access, authorize, schedule, implement, review, close, cancel. For problem, new, access, root cause analysis, fix in progress, resolve, close. For incident, states are new, in progress, on hold, resolve, close, cancel. These points should be remembered because these are the interview point of view, very important questions. Definitely 2 or 3 questions will rise from the incident or problem or change management. That much of importance are there. So once again, we will go to the thorough discussion of the incident problem change management. These are the examples. We have discussed already about the incident number starts with, problem starts with, change starts with. Incident team will handle by L1 support team or service desk. Problem handled by L2 or L3 senior levels. Or change management will handle by the change managers. CAB team. Change advisor board is a CAB abbreviation. Incident will priority with a high priority, but problem or change, there is no timelines, but should be fixed. Incident is a temporary quick fix. For problem, root cause analysis should be solution. For change, permanent solution. States or stages for instant problem change. Thank you for watching my videos, guys. For further more updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel. ServiceNow Learn Easy by Praveen Amineni. Thank you all. Thanks for watching.